Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to find your Bank of America routing and account number. If you already have an account, open the website bankofamerica.com, then sign in with your online ID and password. Once you're logged in, you will see a section for your personal accounts. Click on the account you wish to view the routing and account number, either checking or savings account. At the upper part of the screen, you will see an option for account and routing numbers. Click on Account and Routing Numbers. Now you will be able to see your routing and account number. That's how you find your Bank of America routing and account number. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.